1.152/5.000. Modellista's customization kits for the all-new Toyota Alphard and Vellfire. Modellista has prepared customization kits for the Toyota Alphard. Modellista is here with aftermarket aesthetic modification packages for Toyota's new Alphard and its sportier twin, the Vellfire. The first kit, Real Dignity Style, is from Modellista's Real Global website. It consists of a front spoiler, side skirts and a rear bumper spoiler and muffler for Toyota's premium minivan. Options specific to this package include the Modellista front grille, signature light blades and a roof spoiler with LED strips, which won't be available until September. Modellista WingDancer XVII rims with a diameter of 20 inches are also on the options list. Garnish Style is a collection of bright accents for the upper half of the car: bonnet, side doors, fenders, side mirrors, rear window and rear door. You can also choose the Garnish package with front bumper light blades and WingDancer rims. Or you can choose to combine both customization packages.